Man, supposed to copper this up a little more. These niggas playing dead, hit a nigga in the head just so I can even the score. So I can even the score. Just so I can even the score. These niggas playing dead, hit a nigga in the head just so I can even the score. These niggas really scared, so they gotta take meds, supposed to copper this up a little more.
Hello and hi, welcome back to another video. I am Alexis and today I am going to show you how to eye wax under my arms at home. I bought this wax machine from Amazon. The box is right here. I insert a picture as well. And I waxed under my arms like maybe a month ago, guys, or over a month. It's literally so thin to not have wax under my arms for under a month, over a month. So I really do recommend this. Like, you can save your extra $10 or $15 and wax your underarms at home. So right now I have the wax in the warmer and they are heating up right now. So the wax kit came with these little beads. They came in pink and blue, and it actually says beads for coarse body hair. And then here are the pink ones. Alright. And then they came with these sticks. I actually just found the thicker versions of these sticks because they came with these thin ones. And this is what I was using last time, and it was kind of hard. So they also came with the thick sticks. And then they came with the little tins to put wax in, and this is what I use. Alright guys, so as soon as the wax warms up, I will come back and show you how I wax up under my arms, okay? And again, this is like a self-care video. As you see, I got this mask on my face. I'm just here chilling in my bonnet.
Today I'm using a mask by Pharmacy. It is called the Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask.
Alright, so I just take the wax and I roll it around, and then I just do it. Okay, it's not that hot. If you ever get if you ever get waxes, I just kind of do what I see them do. Ooh, y'all, having a bigger popsicle sticks makes a world of difference. Okay. Alright, so I got it on here. I'm just gonna wait for it to cool down. Alright, so gotta wait for it to cool down and harden. Like right now it's not sticky or anything, okay? Then, I don't know if it's a rip down or up. I'm gonna rip down. You wanna take the wax off in the direction the hair grows. And then look at all of that hair. Okay, I think I'm gonna go over it again one more time. And this also helps with the darkness under your arms too. It's better than shaving. Now let's do this side. So that is the end of my video. Go ahead and purchase this wax machine if you are interested in doing your at-home waxes. I absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. It removes all of my hair, and you know, my hair is really thin when it does grow back. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at Doses of Alexi. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.